Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice buffet that we're going to redo, so follow along. Alright, overall this piece is in pretty good condition. There's not a lot of chips, dings, bang ups or anything like that, but the color is well, honey is not my favorite color here, so we're going to be sanding this down. First we're going to pull the hardware off, we're going to sand it down, we're going to paint it, give it more of a farm style look, and well, this piece is going to change quite a bit in color and style. So let's get the hardware off, let's get these doors off, check the subframe, make sure everything's still good on it, and then what we'll be able to do is start sanding it down and pick a color for it. So let's get started by removing the hardware. Alright, overall, piece is in really good condition. What we're going to do is scuff sand this down. Drawers, doors, frame. And what that's going to help us do is, by scuffing it, we'll create little grooves in that in the product where that paint's going to stick even better. We're going to use really good paint, BEHR Prime and Paint, but we want the best seal we can get. So I always recommend, no matter what, even chalk paint, give it a nice scuff sand, wipe it down real well, and that paint, the process goes so much smoother, and your end result, well, it'll be seen. So let's get started. We're gonna be painting the inside and outside of this whole piece. So we're gonna just do a scuff sand, 80 grit sandpaper. Got my mask. Just gonna go over nice and easy. Whatever we can't get with the flat edge, we'll come back, hand sand it. Shouldn't take too long. Let's get started. Alright, we are done with the sanding. We've wiped it out, vacuumed it, and now it's ready to paint. So today what we're going to use is our BEHR Prime and Paint eggshell. It's called Blackout Black. So it goes on real nice, quality paint, love it. So we're going to paint the insides, the frame, drawers, doors, shelves, everything's going black on this piece. So since we're doing multiple sides, we're going to pick a side, paint it, flip it over, paint it after the one side dries. So one side, or we're going to coat it twice, the undersides of the drawers, the back sides of the doors. We'll do the drawers, we'll do the inside of the frame, or the cabinet sections here. We'll let that all dry with 2 coats, and then we'll come back and do the frame and the fronts of the drawers. Whew, a lot to do. Let's get started. we are to a point where we've painted everything, let it dry, and now what we're gonna do is scuff sand it up here. So this is a step that you could skip if you wanted to leave it solid. We're going for that vintage, worn in, farm style look. So we're just gonna scuff up the edges, give it a once over, get rid of that little sheen, that new feel to it. And well, once we're done with everything, which is a lot of stuff that we painted, we're going to wax it. So let's get to sanding. We're gonna use our old sandpaper, 80 grit sandpaper, and well, go to town. Make sure you're going with the grain or the pattern that you want. We are to the point where we can start waxing. I'm gonna use my favorite thing, finishing wax. It's just a natural. I'm gonna wipe it on, wipe it off, do the whole piece. We'll get the hardware on, and well, we'll get final pictures of this, see how it looks. So this is the last time you're gonna see it before it's done. Alright, here it is completed. Blackout Black by BEHR Prime and Paint. We scuffed it up, give it that vintage farm style look. And well, overall, I like the end result. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and well, we'll put this up for sale so somebody can put it in their kitchen or maybe even use it as an entertainment center.